Hello, this is Guy Grant, your Spring Hill, Florida realtor, coming to you today with some information about the new legislation that has been passed regarding insurance in Florida. Some of the headlines you're going to start seeing are things that say that the lawmakers are forcing homeowners to buy flood insurance. And that's sort of true, and I'll explain why here as we go. Um, the insurance reforms that have just passed, there are some good things in it. They've eliminated the assignment of benefits, and what that does is that it helps eliminate some of these fire truck chasing contractors who want you to sign your benefits, your insurance benefits, over to them, and they say, "Oh, we'll just take care of everything. You don't have to do anything at all, and we'll handle the insurance companies." Well, they could sue the insurance company then, whether you wanted to or not. And up until now, there was only one-way attorney fees that the insurance companies would have to pay. If they won, would have to pay their attorney's fees. But if it turned out to be a frivolous lawsuit, the insurance companies couldn't recover from these folks. So this makes the playing field much more fair. Um, this temporary reinsurance program, that is for insurance companies that actually insure the other insurance companies, and it's complicated, and I really don't understand it all, and so I'm not going to try and say whether that's good or bad. Um, One of the ones that's going to probably affect people the most is they're trying to get people off of Citizens Insurance, and I have Citizens Insurance. Um, and what they're saying now is that if there's a private policy that the premium is within 20% of what Citizens is, Citizens can drop you and you'll have to go with that one. Um, and the other bad thing is that Citizens customers will now be required to buy flood insurance whether or not they're in a flood zone or not. And that's what this headline is saying here. They don't explain that until down here on page 5. It says this requirement only applies to homeowners who have Citizens Insurance. And the requirement will be phased in over the next 4 years, starting with people in April, with people who actually own property in a flood zone. So if you have property in a flood zone and you're insured with Citizens, yes, you're going to have to buy flood insurance right away. The rest of us, we're going to get phased in probably sooner, quicker than later, but we'll have up to 4 years to buy flood insurance or go with a different company. Coming back here, they did shorten up the time that you have to file a claim from 2 years to 1, but if you had damage to your house, you don't really need more than a year to know that and to file a claim with your insurance company. And then if you have to reopen the claim, you have to do that within 18 months instead of 3 years. They are making the insurance companies be more responsive. They have to deny or pay the claim within 60 days instead of 90. They have to acknowledge communication within 7 days instead of 14. They have to begin the investigation within 7 days, and they have to conduct a physical assessment, actually send somebody out now within 30 days. So those are all good things. And then the last thing is they are increasing the budget for Florida's Office of Insurance Regulation. So hopefully if you do have a problem, you can contact them and there will actually be somebody there that can help you. But the headline that everyone's going to be required to buy flood insurance is probably more false than true. So I hope that clarifies what's going on. If anybody has any questions, feel free to contact me. And until next time.